Let's follow our certified technician, Victoria, as she replaces a molded rubber valve cover gasket on a late model engine. Begin installation of seals on the valve cover. Place the valve cover gasket in place on the cover and press it into the gasket channel. Reinstall the valve cover, being sure that it is seated properly. Install fasteners finger tight. Use a torque wrench and tighten fasteners per the manufacturer's specification, which may be in inch-pounds, foot-pounds, or Newton-meters. Follow the recommended torque pattern, which is often an X pattern, working from the inside outward. Reattach any disconnected components, and a professional, long-lasting repair is complete.